This is the UltraGlass tempered glass screen protector for your 15 Pro Max or your 15 Pro. Now, taking a closer look at the screen protector here, it is very, very thick here. So even if I try to kind of like bend it, you'll see it's not really breaking here. So I would have to apply a general amount of pressure here. Even when it's folded all the way, it's not breaking at all. I would have to apply a lot more pressure here. All right, and as you can see here, this tempered glass screen protector is definitely very strong and very tough. All right, I had to quickly clean up that little explosion that we had earlier. Now, another important aspect of the screen protector here is that while it does provide full coverage here, we want to make sure that it is compatible for cases. So for example, this is a D brand case here. So let's go ahead and put it on here and see if it fits. Right, and with the case on, you'll notice that it fits perfectly. So this screen protector will definitely be compatible for most cases out there. Now, same thing for my 15 Pro here. Just gonna grab my case here, slip it right in. And same thing here, we have nice protection here. So this will definitely work for any of your cases here. Now, if we really wanna test the durability of the screen, I mean, I can bang it a couple of times and this screen definitely holds up. And same thing here, we're going to apply good amount of pressure here. I am applying a considerable amount of force here. The good thing about the screen protector is that it is reinforced, making it less likely to crack. Now, it doesn't mean that this is indestructible, you know, it just means that the chances of the screen cracking are definitely reduced compared to other screen protectors. Now, UltraGlass has sent me both privacy and their HD version, so we're going to take a look exactly what that looks like and how to install it and whether or not this glass screen protector is worth getting for your iPhone 15 Pro. Now, it comes in this beautiful black packaging. Absolutely love it. Let's go ahead and open up and see what we get inside. The first thing we're greeted to is a nice package content here. So what we get inside are all the tools necessary for installation here. Inside the packaging, we're gonna have a lifetime warranty registration, which is awesome. Next, we're gonna have a nice quick installation guide, but don't worry guys, I'll show you exactly how to put that on. We're gonna have 2 sets of microfiber cloths alongside with some wet wipes. Got a nice microfiber cloth, and what I like about this is that this actually has the UltraGlass on the actual microfiber cloth. Is definitely a nice premium touch. And finally, they're gonna give us dust removal stickers. I'm gonna get 2 sets of these because inside that first packaging here, we're gonna have the first privacy screen protector here, and you'll see UltraGlass nice and beautiful. Now, looking further inside the packaging here, you're gonna notice this orange tab over here, and that's gonna be our installation tray, which is going to make it a lot easier to install. Now, I like the fact that they've already put one of the glass screen protectors in here. That way you don't have to do it again, but you get 2 for the price of 1. This is awesome value. And you can see this is a privacy screen protector, which will give you a nice 2-way protection here. As you can see, as I turn to left and right, we have nice privacy. So that's awesome for you guys that need that privacy. Another thing I noticed here is we're also going to get a microfiber squeegee. So I like the fact that they give you everything that's needed. So first things first here, we want to first power off our 15 Pro Max or your 15 Pro. Make sure that's nice and off so that way we're not distracted. Next thing we're going to do is going to grab the wet wipe. We're going to go all over the front of the screen. Next, you're going to grab the microfiber cloth here and you're going to wipe off that alcohol residue. All right, and in case you ever needed a reason why you want a screen protector, you'll notice that I have a really nasty scratch here, and that's because I did not have a screen protector when this occurred. So if you want to prevent these type of things, you should definitely get a screen protector. All right, next thing we're going to do is use one of these dust removal stickers here, and we're going to ensure there's no dust on the screen here. So you want to just go over the whole phone here. Just make sure there's no dust here. All right, and that looks nice and clean. All right, and now finally we're going to use the installation tray. Make sure we align the top where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna basically put it right against the phone. All right, and it should look just like that. It fits perfectly here. And next thing we're gonna do here is we're going to pull this tab in 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna notice the screen protector is starting to adhere. I'm gonna give that a few seconds. And I want to use my finger to gently guide the screen. All right, now we have some full adhesion here. Let's go ahead and lift this up. All right, and that's it. Very easy installation. Now, you might notice a few little micro bubbles here, but don't worry, guys. Also give us a nice little microfiber squeegee here, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna apply gentle pressure here. And that's pretty much it here, guys. Very easy to install, and the installation looks beautiful. This being a privacy screen, of course, we're gonna have the nice cutout for our front-facing camera. This is very important, but overall, I love the full coverage that this screen protector provides. It does feel nice and thick. You can grab the screen protector here. It's definitely very thick, so I like the way it feels. So let's go ahead and power this on and see how it looks. All right, now that we have it powered on, let's go ahead and see if it detects my face here. We have nice face detection, which is really awesome. That's going to be fully compatible here. And the screen protector feels nice and smooth. Definitely feels a million times better than the screen of your original iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, the special thing about the privacy is obviously the two-way protection. So if somebody was peeking to your left or they're peeking to your right, well, guess what? They're not going to be able to see at all because you have nice protection here. Now this being a privacy screen protector, it is going to reduce a little bit of the brightness here. So sometimes you may have to play with the brightness a little bit higher than normal because obviously you have a privacy screen protector that has a dark tint. Now with full brightness on top, you can kind of see that you don't really notice much of the light bleed at all. Some privacy screen protectors are on the thinner side, and when you have it on full brightness, you can kind of notice it. But this one surprisingly does not, and I believe it's because you're getting nice full coverage. So this is really awesome. Now, what if you don't want a privacy screen protector? UltraGlass also have you covered with their HD version, which is going to be fully transparent and very crystal clear. If you ever want to remove your UltraGlass, we're just going to grab a corner piece and basically gently lift it up. Same thing, you want to make sure you clean off the phone. Since we know that this is pristine, there's no need to repeat the steps. You guys already know exactly how to do that. We're going to place this on top. Okay, and holding firmly on the frame here, we're just going to pull again. And we should see the screen starting to adhere. Go ahead and use a microfiber cloth or squeegee to push it up to speed up the process. And that's it. Now we're ready to remove the installation frame again. And that's it. Screen protector is installed. Now, since we have a little bit of bubble, go ahead and grab that squeegee here and just apply a gentle pressure. And that's it. The installation is very easy, and the HD version of this looks absolutely beautiful. It's going to show off the pure color of it without having the black tint as the privacy screen protector. So it's great to have both options here. Privacy in case you need it, or if you want a super clear high definition version, then they have you both covered as well. So if you're looking for the ultimate tempered glass screen protector, whether you want something that's ultra high definition clear, or if you want something that is privacy that protects you both ways, UltraGlass has you covered with either option. Huge thanks to UltraGlass for sending me this out and sponsoring this video. And overall, guys, for the price, I highly recommend the UltraGlass screen protector. It's definitely a premium screen protector. It's not going to be one of those cheap screen protectors, so I think it's very worth the price. Plus, you're getting 2 of these and a lifetime warranty. Firewolf, out.